In this lesson, let's learn about calculations using the cubic root of w. 30個を用いたωの計算. First, I'll explain omega cubed. The imaginary solution of x cubed equals 1 is called the cubic root of 1 and is denoted by omega. In other words, omega cubed equals 1. However, omega is not equal to 1. We won't derive it in this lesson, but as a theorem, omega cubed plus omega plus 1 equals 0 holds true. Next, let's try to solve a problem using omega. As an example, let's try to find the value of omega to the fourth power plus omega cubed plus 1 equals 0 when one of the imaginary number 1 cubed is omega. First, let's factorize the given expression. Since omega cubed is 1, let's factorize as much as possible to take advantage of it. In this case, omega to the fourth power plus omega squared plus 1, the omega to the fourth power can be decomposed into omega cubed, giving us omega cubed in parentheses, plus omega squared plus 1. Finally, by eliminating omega cubed, we get omega squared plus omega plus 1. This is 0 as per the theorem, so we are now done with the calculation. Now let's do some practice. Press the pause button and try to solve the practice problem. Once you're finished, press the resume button and mark what you got correct. Now let's check our answers. Were you able to answer them correctly? Finally, let's review today's lesson. The imaginary solution of x cubed equals 1 is called the cubic root of 1 and is denoted by omega. By definition, omega cubed equals 1, and from it we can derive omega squared plus omega plus 1 equals 0. We then use these formulas in our problems. We also factored to find omega squared plus omega plus 1, and if it was available, used it in our calculations. That concludes this lesson.